Let's create. So I'm going to add a generous amount of sea salt. Pepper, black pepper. Flip it. Do the same on the other side. I'm a little bit generous here. Do the same with the pepper. Put some here. Some pepper there. Because I want to also make sure that the sides and the edges of this New York strip is well seasoned. Come here. I want the flavor to be well distributed. That's it. Make sure the pan is very hot, high heat. Put a little bit of olive oil. And I always like to use good quality myself. Add this beautiful New York strip. See how kind of thick it is. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes on one side. Then I'm going to flip it and do about 4 minutes on the other side. Once I flip it, I'm going to add some thyme, garlic on top, and I'm going to add my specially mixed butter. But that's in the second step of the process when I flip it. So before I flip it completely, I try to cook a little bit of the side, just for a few seconds. And now I turn it around. I'm going to cook it in this side for like 4 minutes. And then, as it cooks there, I'm going to add some thyme and garlic. And now I'm going to bring my butter mix, going to add it there. And what I want to do with that is get to get the juices flowing on top of this steak. So you get juicy, tender, delicious. See? I can smell the aromatic. And this butter smells fantastic too. So you do this about for like 3.5 to 4 minutes. I do one in medium rare. That's simple. This steak I bought at the local butcher here in Virginia. In fact, most of my meat, I buy them there. You can check my channel, and I'm telling you, it makes a difference.